Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a gold and black cut crease. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead, like this video, leave me some comments, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications to know when I post another video. Now, let's go ahead and do brows first. Alright, so we're starting off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. Now, this is not my favorite brow product, but since I have run out of my NYX brow pencil, I'll be using this instead. And you'll basically just see me apply my eyebrows. Since I haven't uploaded a brow tutorial in a while, I decided to go ahead and just throw this in there for you guys. And by the way, I know y'all are looking. I know you can see that lace is lifting up over there by my ear. No worries, she's gonna fix that once we're all done. Since this pomade is so dark, I'm going in with the NYX Brow Mascara in the color Espresso. And I'm going to put that mascara on my brows. And as you can see, it instantly lightens up that brow just a little bit more. So this is the purpose of me using this particular brow mascara. Now we're going in with the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel. And I am going to sculpt my brows underneath with this. Also going to use it for my primer on my eyelids as well, so that's why you see me taking it down. This particular brush I'm using, I don't know where it's from or who's it by. I've had it forever, and this is just the perfect brush that I can use to do my eyebrows. So that's what I'm using. And as you can see, I like to blend that out underneath my brow using my fingers because it just looks more natural. Now I'm using the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the color Cool Almond. That is actually my foundation color in this particular brand. And I'm going to be putting that on top of my brow. All right, now this is the NYX eyebrow gel, and I'm just using this to comb my eyebrow hairs into place so that they will not move throughout the day. Now I am using my Laura Mercier setting powder in the color Translucent to set my eyelids, as you guys saw before. I did use some NARS concealer to prime my lids, and I'm now setting it using the Laura Mercier setting powder. All right, let's get into the eye look for today. I'm starting off with my Carity Rose All Day palette, and I'm using the color Drutches. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I'm using my Carity E31 Fluffy blending brush to blend this all out. And this is basically going to be my transition color. Next, I'm going back into that palette. I'm going to be using the color Corked, which is a brown. Now, you really can't see the pigment of these colors, being that my lighting is washing it out a lot. But that's the color that I'm using in my crease. And I decided to use these two particular colors because they're very flesh tone once blended out. Now I'm going into my Carity Picante palette. I'm using the color Harvest, and I'm just adding that into the mix as well. It just brightens the look up a little bit more and give it a little bit more orangish, reddish undertone. Now I'm taking my Carity matte palette. I'm using the color Disturbia, which is the black color, and I am just going to pack that on using my e.l.f. eye crease brush. I'm basically doing that on the outer V of my eye. And I'm now taking my Carity E30 brush just to blend that out. I'm going into the inner corner a little bit, into the outer corner, and just blending those colors out. And then I'll be taking my original brush, I think my E31 brush, and I'm just blending my original color in with the black so it doesn't look really, really harsh. All right, now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand, and I'm gonna use this concealer to carve out my cut crease. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. Basically, I'm just gonna go in and do a cut crease. I am terrible with cut creases these days. I'm gonna keep doing these cut creases because I do want to get better, and I will slowly but surely. Now I'm going back into that Carity palette and I'm using the color Bruit. These are like foil type of shimmer colors. I'm using the BH Cosmetics brush number 9, and I'm going to slowly pack that onto my lid. Now I'm going back into that Picante palette. I'm using the color Haley. It's just basically a darker foil shimmer color. I'm gonna throw that onto the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going in with the color Morning, and I am putting that on the inner corner of my eye. Right along, I'm going back into that Carity palette with the color Disturbia, and I'm putting that back on the outer V to give it some more depth, some more dimension, just to darken that outer V up just a little bit more. Of course, I'm blending those colors back out using the original transition color that I use, which is just Drutches. And I am just blending everything in so we don't have any harsh lines or any lines of demarcation, anything like that. I am taking my Neutrogena makeup wipes. I love these wipes. I've lived by these wipes. You have to have them. If you don't, I don't know what's wrong with you. But I'm using these wipes to just sharpen up my outer corner, my edge. I want this to be like a really, really sharp look. So you could use any other type of makeup wipes. You don't have to have Neutrogena, but of course I have them because I love them. Taking my NYX liquid eyeliner pencil in the color Jet Black, and I am making a nice sharp liner. Not gonna be a wing liner or anything like that. It's just gonna blend right on in with that black, but we're gonna put that onto the eye as well. And we're just gonna go back and blend that in with some Disturbia. So that makes for a super quick look. Here is the finished look. As you can see, honey, she looks fabulous. I did use the Fenty Beauty lip paint in the color Uncensored, and I also did use the Ardell lashes in the style Demi Wispy. If you would check the description box, all the information for the products on my face will be listed in that section as well. And I do want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you are subscribed, do not forget to turn on that post notification bell so that you are notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Bye-bye.